width profile option. Okay. When you select width tool or any path that has variable width applied, the width profile drop down list is displayed in the properties panel. You can change the width profile by selecting a width from drop down list. Let's test this one. See, for example, I will make one line here, or maybe okay, I just took one line, or I'll make maybe some kind of
Arc.
this is curve. Okay, I just double click here. This enough. Okay, with pen tool I can draw some kind of this piece. Okay. Okay. Now there is one width tool, but I'm finding difficulty here. Where is width tool? So before I was talking about this one now. So I can type here width tool, and I can see how the width tool looks. See this width tool. So if I remember this one, next time it's easy for me to identify. See width tool. This is width tool. Or I can click here. Now no need this one. So like that you remember. See the use of width tool is like this. We can change the width of particular area like this. See? Only particular area. Also,
then we can make some design also for flyer.
yes,
no?
yes. So, for example, if you want to draw a road like this, so in some areas you can make it the wide. In some areas you can keep it thin like this. See, click and adjust like this, Okay. Now, what they are telling in the properties panel, when you open properties panel, see there is one properties panel. Okay. So earlier we were seeing some kind of properties related to some shapes only, but since we have this width tool, this one, they are telling some additional tools we see here. This one they are telling. See, for example, if I choose this one, I can get different profile. Some kind of variation you will see. See it like this. Whichever profile you like, you can keep. Okay. So this is what they are telling. Flip along. Flip along means like, like I think this one, how it is flipping. Completely it is flipping. It is not flipping the shape. The width is changing. You see, this is changing, and this one, no, this will not work here. Okay. So this is about width profile in the properties part. So like that, we can have different options based on the tool we select here.